Hey everyone, if you're staring at that frustrating error C4 on your Bosch boiler, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this quick guide, we'll break down what this error means, why it happens, and the simple steps to fix it yourself. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want to save on repair costs, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First things first, error C4 on a Bosch boiler typically indicates a problem with the water pressure or circulation system. It means your boiler isn't getting the right amount of water flow, which can prevent it from heating properly. This is common in 2025 models, but the fixes are straightforward. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most frequent culprits include low water pressure in the system, a faulty circulation pump, or issues with the expansion vessel. Sometimes, it's due to air trapped in the pipes or even a leak somewhere in the heating system. Identifying the root cause is key to a quick fix. Alright, onto the solutions. Start by checking the pressure gauge on your boiler. It should read between 1 and 1.5 bars when the system is cold. If it's lower, you'll need to repressurize. Locate the filling loop, usually found underneath the boiler, and slowly open the valves to add water until the pressure is in the correct range. Be careful not to overdo it. If that doesn't resolve the issue, try bleeding your radiators. Grab a radiator key and go around your home, opening the valves on each radiator to release any trapped air. Once water flows steadily, close them up and check if the error clears. Still seeing error C4? It might be time to reset your boiler. Turn off the power at the mains for about 5 minutes, then switch it back on. This can fix temporary glitches. However, if the problem persists, it could signal a more serious issue like a defective pump or sensor. Don't hesitate to call a certified engineer. Remember, always prioritize safety when dealing with gas appliances. If you're unsure at any point, it's better to get professional help. There you have it, your guide to fixing Bosch boiler error C4. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.